government's affordable health care policy took another step forward with the unveiling of the Children's Medical Center and Treatment Facility at the Clark Freeport Zone in Mabalacat, Pampanga. It offers specialized pediatric services at cost and free quality care to kids and families from regions 1 to 3, plus a zero balance bill policy offered for other inpatient and outpatient services. Our Kenneth Paciente fills us in with more.
It was only this January when Carmen Paningala learned that her 13-year-old child had leukemia. She admitted that the treatment has not been easy as her husband's income from repairing cell phones is not enough to support their family.
Mahirap po talaga kasi sa totoo lang po, natubuan pa po siya. Kaya magpasalamat din po ako sa Diyos na nakasurvive po yung anak ko. Malaking rin po sa akin kasi hindi ko po in-expect. Ganyan po ka, may sakit yung anak ko. Parang kami, hindi ko po alam kung paano po mga anak ko may sakit yung anak ko. Tapos yung may anak pa po ako maliit na 5 po kasi sila.
To help families like Carmen's, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. together with First Lady Liza Marcos inaugurated the Jose B. Lingad Children's Medical Center at Clark Freeport Zone in Mabalacat, Pampanga. The facility has a 120-bed capacity and will provide a wide range of specialized outpatient, inpatient, urgent care, and emergency room services. It also features pediatric specialty services including ophthalmology, neurology, nephrology, gastroenterology, among others. The medical center is part of the government's efforts to increase the number of specialty hospitals in the country and expand access to specialized pediatric health care.
This state-of-the-art pediatric facility will provide free, high-quality care for children and families from regions 1, 2, and 3, and other neighboring areas as well. Next week, on the 1st of August, this hospital will open its doors to patients, making specialized pediatric services accessible to more communities. More importantly, it will bring hope and relief to countless Filipino families.
The President and the First Lady toured the medical center where they inspected the integrated operating room, specialized outpatient consultation areas, and advanced diagnostic facilities, including an AI-enabled X-ray system and a 128-slice CT scanner. They also met with more than 50 pediatric cancer patients. The President also emphasized that the zero-balance billing policy will be implemented in the hospital.
Here in this hospital, I am happy to announce that the zero-balance billing program will certainly continue. That way, no individual will be denied care simply because they do not have the capacity to pay. The zero-balance billing is also complemented by the medical assistance to indigent and financially incapacitated patients program and the Yaman ng Kalusugan program, which have served millions of Filipinos in need of medical assistance.
Pasalamat din po na may tumulong po sa amin na ganito proyekto. Malaking tulong na rin po sa amin kung nagbibigay na sa namin.
Kung wala po yung proyekto po na yan, matagal na pong nawala yung mga anak namin. Hindi lang po si Yuan, pati yung mga kasama namin mga bata. Kasi instead na kung wala po yan, pupunta pa ng Maynila para magpakimo.
The President once again assured the public that the government will continue advancing programs that provide affordable yet quality healthcare services for Filipinos. Following the completion of this hospital, the government will next build a renal center, cardiovascular center, and cancer center within the Clark Multi-Specialty Medical Center complex. Kenneth Paciente for the Nation.